And now, Smartwater presents Random Advice with Pete Davidson. Thank you, hot announcer guy. Did you know that Smartwater is perfectly pH balanced with electrolytes for taste, and living at your mom's house gets weird at a certain point? It's true. If you're not her little guy anymore, you shouldn't be there anymore. So, drink Smartwater and move out if you can. Smartwater! Keep living smart!
In the time before AT&T fiber internet.
What? What are you doing in me dungeon?
It's the only place where the bloody Wi-Fi works.
Oh, and you don't mind the spiders?
Spiders? What spiders? Oh no, they're everywhere! Oh!
In the time after AT&T fiber internet.
It's nice having fast, reliable Wi-Fi in the whole house.
For sure.
The dawn of a better internet era with AT&T fiber.
Limited availability in select areas. Check eligibility at att.com/getfiber. AT&T Smart Wi-Fi extenders may be required. Sold separately. Restrictions apply.
Welcome to the Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery Podcast. I'm Dr. J. Calvert. Today here on a very lovely Saturday, as a matter of fact, we are here to talk about deep plane facelifts. Dr. Ravello, how are you doing?
I'm doing really, really well. How are you?
I'm good. I know that we're running into holiday difficulties with
yes.
our time management.
Our time, if that's even a thing, I feel like there's a zero time management.
Well, yes. So today we're going to talk about deep plane facelifts. And this is a conversation that's kind of ongoing. But recently there was an article in which magazine?
Harper's Bazaar.
Aha.
Harper's Bazaar.
I don't read that.
There's one magazine that I get in my house and that I try and read on every 3-month basis. That's whenever I have time to get around to it. And I happened to read an article this past week in my Harper's Bazaar fashion magazine about facelifts, and specifically a type of facelift called deep plane facelifts. And then just 2 days ago at our LASPS society meeting, the Los Angeles Society of Plastic Surgeons, we had a whole talk and discussion about deep plane facelifts. So it's trending, I guess, is the word you could use right now.
Well, that's good. Considering this is an operation I learned in, I think it was 2000. So it's finally it's
been around. It's been around. It's having a moment.
The deep plane, well, and by the way, just, the deep plane facelift has been around since Skoog, this Swedish surgeon, really kind of espoused this is the way to do a facelift. The concept is that in the deep plane, you have more mobility of the SMAS, which is and SMAS is really defined as the subcutaneous musculo-aponeurotic system, which is a fascial system, basically. It's a layer over the muscles of the face that move your face. And fascia is just a thick coating. It's, we have fascia on all of our muscles. There's fascia on our biceps and on our abdomen, and those fascial thickenings make the washboard stomach that everybody loves to talk about, the six-pack. But the fascia of the face is where we can do the lifting.
Yeah.
And getting into the deep plane, you go deep to the SMAS, and then you lift the SMAS over the mimetic muscles, the face, the movement muscles of your face. And it looks really nice. You can really take care of the jowl. You can tighten up the jawline. And a facelift is a misnomer. It's really a neck and jawline definition operation.
Right. And so the deep plane is different than other facelifts long time ago that used to be just subcutaneous, meaning you were just pulling on the skin and the thin layer of fat under the skin.
Correct.
And then there were some transitions to SMAS facelifts, which are still done very widely and done lots and lots of times, different manifestations, where you're lifting the SMAS, which is that superficial layer we talked about, and pulling it and tightening it in addition to the skin. And then the deep plane is going below the SMAS and lifting a deeper layer. So there's kind of 3 different variations.
Well, and the SMAS lift, the high SMAS was something that I did a lot of because I learned that from several surgeons, but I felt it was very powerful. The reason I've kind of moved more to the deep plane is I think that